Soil. It's the ground beneath our feet, often taken for granted. Yet this thin layer of earth is the foundation of life as we know it. It provides nutrients for plants, filters our water, and supports entire ecosystems. However, this precious resource is facing a growing threat. Pollution. Soil pollution, the contamination of our land by harmful substances, is a problem we can no longer ignore. From industrial waste to agricultural chemicals, our activities are compromising the very soil that sustains us. This contamination doesn't just disappear, it persists, impacting the quality of our food, water, and the delicate balance of nature. The consequences of soil pollution are far-reaching, affecting not just the environment but also human health and the viability of agriculture. Addressing this issue is critical for our well-being and the health of our planet. It's time to recognize the importance of soil and take action to protect it. Landfills, a common sight across the globe, are a stark reminder of our consumption habits. We generate massive amounts of waste, much of which ends up in these landfills. While intended to contain our trash, they are, unfortunately, a significant source of soil pollution. As waste decomposes, it produces leachate, a toxic cocktail of chemicals. This leachate can seep into the surrounding soil, contaminating it with heavy metals and harmful bacteria. Contaminated soil loses its ability to support plant life, impacting agriculture and ecosystems. Pollutants can also leach into groundwater, contaminating our drinking water sources. The sheer volume of waste makes landfills a pressing environmental concern. We need to rethink waste management and explore alternatives to traditional landfills. Reducing waste, reusing materials, and recycling are crucial steps in mitigating landfill impact. Soil pollution is often invisible, lurking beneath the surface. The culprits stem from various human activities. Understanding these pollutants is key. Industrial activities release heavy metals like lead and mercury. These toxins persist for decades, poisoning the land. Agricultural practices also contribute. Pesticides and fertilizers can have unintended consequences. Excessive use disrupts the natural balance. Improper disposal introduces contaminants. Addressing soil pollution requires a multi-pronged approach. From farm to table, the connection between soil and our food is undeniable. Healthy soil is the foundation of agriculture, providing the nutrients essential for plant growth. But soil pollution disrupts this delicate balance, threatening our food supply and posing risks to human health. Contaminated soil can lead to reduced crop yields and compromised nutritional value. Plants absorb pollutants from the soil, potentially transferring them to the food we eat. Heavy metals, pesticides, and other toxins can accumulate in crops, posing health risks to consumers. Furthermore, soil pollution can disrupt the delicate microbial life that is essential for healthy soil and plant growth. Beneficial microorganisms are vital for nutrient cycling and disease suppression. Their depletion further compromises soil fertility and agricultural productivity. The implications are far-reaching, impacting food security and posing potential health risks. Sustainable agricultural practices that minimize soil disturbance and reduce reliance on chemical inputs are crucial for protecting our food supply and ensuring a healthy future. Soil pollution's impacts extend far beyond agriculture, affecting entire ecosystems. The interconnectedness of nature means that contamination in one area can have ripple effects, disrupting delicate balances and threatening biodiversity. Pollutants can leach from the soil into water bodies, contaminating rivers, lakes, and groundwater. This contamination affects aquatic life, disrupting food chains and potentially leading to fish kills or bioaccumulation of toxins in organisms. Soil pollution also impacts terrestrial wildlife. Animals that rely on contaminated soil for food or shelter are at risk of poisoning or experiencing reproductive problems. The loss of biodiversity due to soil pollution weakens ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to further degradation and climate change impacts. The interconnectedness of soil, water, and air means that pollution in one area can have far-reaching consequences. Protecting soil is not just about safeguarding a resource, but about preserving the intricate web of life that depends on it.